comparison between front end development, back end development, and full stack development, I will just first give you a practical insight of in the industry. In India, on the online searching, I realized that in case of front end development, the average salary as a fresher would be around 4 to 5 lakhs. In case of back end, it is around 6 for a decent company. And in case of full stack development, the average salary starts from 7 to 9 lakhs, and you can go upwards of 15 lakhs. So having a comparison between salaries, obviously a full stack developer gets paid better than a front end or a back end developer. But you need to have a sound knowledge of front end and back end technologies for that. So coming to front end versus back end versus full stack, what I can say is you can go for a T-shaped based learning in case of full stack development. Like you have a breadth of knowledge among the front end and the back end, and you have a depth or the field proficiency in one of them. Even in that case, you can call yourself a full stack developer, and improve your chances of getting a good salary. Industries usually prefer full stack developers because it is having or allowing them to have a task of two different developers into a role of one, which is why you get paid higher and you have better or higher responsibilities, I must say. So you should be able to handle those responsibilities well, have a good communication skills. And just to give you a brief overview, a front-end developer would essentially work in the client side, or the back-end developer would work on the back-end side. As a full stack developer, since you are working on the both spectrums or fields simultaneously, have a good grasp on both of them, but focus on one side of the development at a time. Don't go for like, I want to do front end as well, I want to do back end as well. No, go for efficiency in front end first or back end first, then move towards the another part which is remaining, then move towards the other section, and then become a full stack developer. Again, the full stack development is a journey. It is not something that you can do in a matter of few weeks, if I am being blunt. And in case of being proficient in all these spectrums, you need time. So if you have the patience to learn all these technologies, go for full stack development. If you are like, if you want a job hard and fast, like you have an urgency to get a job, then go for front end development, start from back end development. In a couple of years, start learning the other spectrum of technology, and then transition to full stack development is what I would advise. Again, it depends on how much skill set you want to gather in what span of time, and where your interests lie.